Yes. So can you see my screen, all of you? So we are creating the health alchemy, the inside out healing method, right? So we are doing mind body healing completely so that no matter what you are going through, you can actually cure it even without medicines. And I've seen people doing that together. So it's possible for you. Are you excited for pure and positive health? How excited out of 1 to 10 you are? Come on, put in the chat. How excited are you out of 1 to 10 to have really pure and positive health? How excited? Put it quickly. Let me read it. Shakuntala 1. I want more excitement. Okay, I hope at 12 the end it will be more, right? Sangeeta 10, very much 7, Jennifer. Why 1? You are not well, Shakuntala?
Oh, ma'am, I thought one is the highest. Okay, sorry.
All right, 10 is the highest. Okay, okay. I just thought 1. Okay, maybe you're not well, so that's why there's no. Okay, so Jennifer 7. All right. All of you, just put your number. What's your number? How excited you are? Well, once you all are excited, the students are excited, the teacher will be excited to teach it, right? And more excited you are, more you'll be able to bring in the changes in you. Okay, so it's very, very important to have the excitement level top notch. Harshita 10, right? Good, great. Good to have all of you. Dr. Jayashree? Dr. Jayashree is 10. Okay, okay, okay. Go, great. Now I'm happy. So let's do a quick meditation for 2 minutes. Close your eyes so that you are more present right now. Bring your attention to your forehead. Can you see that you have a forehead? Can you sense that they exist? And just let the forehead relax. Bring your attention to your eyes. Can you sense that you have your beautiful eyes? Sense the eyes. It's part of your body. And then let the eyes be relaxed. Now come to your neck. Sense that your neck is there in your body. And then let it relax. Come to your shoulders. Feel your shoulders. It's part of your body. Can you sense that they exist, your beautiful shoulders? And then let it relax. Feel your chest. Can you see that your chest exists? And then let it relax. Come to your stomach. Feel your stomach, your amazing stomach. Feel it. And now let it relax. Your back. Feel that your back is there in your body. Bring your attention there, your upper back, lower back. And then let it relax completely. Now see a beautiful blue light filling your complete body. If you cannot feel, that's completely okay. Continue letting each organ of the body relax. Now see, you have a microscope, and through this microscope, you are going inside and watching your cells in the body. So you are putting this microscope and seeing one of the cells in the body. And you can see the cells have the expression of complete relaxation. They are happy, completely oxygenated. There's beautiful blood flow happening in your body. See them happy, expression on the face, relaxed expression on the face. And let it relax. Once you are ready, rub both of your hands, put it on your eyes, and come to the present moment and let me know, how do you feel? I would love to know one word from you. How do you feel? By the way, whatever you feel is the perfect thing to feel. Okay, so there's no right answer. So one of you wrote me in the message yesterday that I was feeling really dizzy and aching. It's completely okay. Perfect part of the story. Okay, so whatever happens is perfect. You don't have to worry about it at all. Sangeeta, calmer, great. Jennifer, grounded, love that. Beautiful. Quickly, all of you write it. You have to write one word. So I should take more time to read, right? Because you have to just write quickly. Shakuntala, soothing, love that. Great. Dr. Jayashri, relax, beautiful. Who is left? Harshita? Okay. All right, let's move. So from today, the next 10 days will be a very important day because now I'm going to bring up the entire teaching of health and compress it into the next 10 days. The entire thing about health, I'm going to compress it and put it for you on a platter completely. Okay, so it is very, very important that what is going to come to you. All right. Story time. So just a small story because stories we remember and we are able to apply. So I was going through a very bad back pain because I met with an accident 10 years ago. So I met with an accident. A Scorpio came and मैं उछल के उधर गिरी थी जैसे टीवी में गिरते हैं वैसा. So people thought that I'm dead, but I was not. So some people came and actually they took to me. I was in hostel that time. So some people took me and they put it in like the hospital and everything happened. Thank God, I was saved. And I was having this back problem that time, and I had to walk. So what I did, I had to whole day I had to be on bed that time. I cannot. I can go to washroom, but that was also a little bit difficult to go to washroom. Apart from that, I was on bed whole day. So what I thought, I am on bed any which ways, I cannot do anything. But because I had tremendous faith in mind body healing, I said, okay, I cannot go to washroom. I cannot go and do anything outside. And I was not doing anything that time. So I thought, okay, if I'm not doing anything, I was in college and I was sitting back at home. Only for exams I used to go back because it was a good time to bed rest. I finally decided I'm going to use my mind body healing, and rather than focusing all the time that I am यहाँ पे चोट लग गई है, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, the pelvic joint, I had that. So rather than focusing on that, I will focus on how amazing my body feels, how beautiful my body feels. It's so easy and relaxing to have this beautiful body that I have got. God, thank you for such an amazing body which knows how to heal. So I kept doing this, and the time duration which doctor has given was 6 months. But because I continued doing this mind body practice every single day, because whole day I was in bed. I had no other work to do, right? So because I started doing this like every day for a very very, I think 2-3 hours I used to do this, because कुछ और करने के लिए था ही नहीं any which ways. So I was doing this around 2-3 hours, and the doctors have said it will take around 6 months, and I actually got cured in 6 weeks. 6 weeks I was back on my foot, I was back walking, I was back doing everything that was to be done. So withdraw your attention. Normally what happens, जहाँ पे दांत नहीं है वहीं पे जाएगा जीभ, right? But now I would love all of you to understand that you cannot focus on what is aching to get rid of that. You have to focus on how amazing my body is working, how everything is working so perfectly. If you are getting it and you understood something, just nod your head, right? Disease, any disease in the body, we have studied this in science. I don't know which class, I think it was in 9th. Disease means dis-ease in the body, right? Your body is not at ease is a disease. Such a simple thing. Your body is not at ease. Once your body will be at ease, you will not have that disease. So simply once your body is completely at ease, completely everything is working perfectly, that disease, that is whatever the disease is, will disappear. So take medicines. I'm not telling you skip the medicines, but even when you're taking the medicines, be with that. It's healing my body rather than दवाई खाना पड़ता है and I don't know कब ठीक होगा. Eat that. Jennifer is laughing because okay, I know I do that. Okay, so just take the medicine with that intention that it's healing my body. I'm so grateful that it's healing my body, right? So that it works doubly on your body. There are a lot of things that I have seen that I've cured myself from it. Few of that I have mentioned on the screen, and I've seen my clients curing all of this. So severe headache, migraines have been done with this mind body healing practice. Healed knee pain, multiple joint pain, healed fever and headache. Like if somebody comes for a health problem, obviously I'm not a doctor, right? How do I cure it? I cure it through this only. The mind body healing practice, correct? I don't cure it by giving them a medicine. So severe neck pain and sleeplessness, hump, like the neck hump that is there, painless period, reduced medication, respiratory infection, sun allergy, skin allergy, bad cough, itchy throat, leg pain, healed tooth, reduced hair fall, reduced pimples on face, thyroid, weight loss, all of that, anything and everything that you can think of, right? Just to let you know, don't say कि मेरा issue अलग है. This will not get cured. Every single thing can get cured, right? Every single thing. Now the method, the approach that we will be using. The approach that we will be using is we will not say we are healing, I'm healing my stomach, I'm healing my head, I'm healing my chest, I'm healing my hair, I'm healing my skin, I'm healing my periods, I'm healing XYZ. What are you going to say? I'm creating such an amazing stomach. I'm creating a healthy gut. I'm creating, right? So rather than focusing on, I want to heal this, I would love you to concentrate on what you are building. Building should be concrete. So what are you building? That is where your focus should go. If you're getting it, just say. I'll give you a few examples. For example, healing my weak knees. Can you see? Can I say I'm creating strong joints? Right? So rather than saying I'm healing my weak knees, can you see where the focus is? Weak knees, weak knees, weak knees, weak knees, weak knees, weak knees. I am creating my strong joints. I'm creating a strong spine. Can you feel the difference of energy in both these lines? I'm creating a strong joints and I'm healing my weak knees, right? I'm healing my gut issues. No, I'm creating a harmonious, beautiful gut. You will just speak it, you will feel the difference. Come on, speak all of you. I'm healing my gut issue, and they say I'm creating harmonious gut. Come on, say once, all of you. I'm healing my gut issues. And now
आज
say,
लगता है हम लोग 11:15 बजे पहुंच जाएंगे नहीं?
who is it? Okay. I'm healing my gut issues. So rather than that, and all the doctors, I would love you, all of you, to use this with your patients. So I'm healing your gut issues. Rather than that, you are going to focus on I'm creating harmonious gut. And can you see the energy different? If you can see the energy different, just say yes, because I can feel it. These are two different energies we are working with. Okay? So I'm not healing, I am creating. So so your focus should be on creation, in one line, if I have to say, rather than what you are. So if you have a house and the house is not looking good, you're not saying I'm just, I don't like this part of the house, I'm not liking that part of the house, that is so bad, this paint is so bad, this is so bad, this is so bad. What are you doing? You're creating a beautiful house. Getting it? Your focus should be on creation. Remember that your body, the 10 health basics that you should be knowing, body instantly reflects your thought. Instantly. It will not take a lot of time. You say one line, मुझे बहुत थका हुआ फील हो रहा है, बहुत थका हुआ फील हो रहा है, बहुत थका हुआ फील हो रहा है, you will start feeling थका हुआ. Okay? I'm feeling very sleepy, I'm feeling very sleepy, I'm feeling very sleepy, you start feeling sleepy. So your body reflects your thoughts instantly. That's how powerful. So body is the mirror of your thoughts. So if you want to see, is my thoughts going in a good direction or no, check your body. That's the mirror. Your body will show it, right? You might have seen that somebody is upset. For example, somebody went through a breakup and the person is upset and they are, all the clothes are piling up, all the bartan is piling up, nothing is happening, and you are just sitting on the bed and you are upset because things have gone so, and you're feeling no energy to get up from the place because that person has done so bad to you. He said that I don't want you in my life, and yeah, whatever, and you're feeling so upset, so hurt, that you're sitting and you don't have any energy to actually get up and do it. But he just calls you and says, sorry of what I did. It was all my mistake. I'm really sorry, and I'm coming to meet you in 30 minutes. I cannot live without you. I'm very, very sorry. Suddenly you will have all the energy and you will room ठीक करके you will be ready. Correct? How? From where has this energy come? From your thoughts, right? All of you have experienced this, right? You had a fight with your husband and you are like, I don't want to talk to anybody and I don't know, I'm not feeling like cooking, I'm not feeling like... He called you and said, Arey Pagli, I to love you so much. I just said it. you are amazing. And suddenly
Then,
let me cook something good for him. From where has the energy?
then my kind of people are waiting to come. Let him come, and then he will do the things. He loves me.
Yeah, so that's simple. So that is what is there. But I would love you to think from where the energy comes suddenly. Where you are feeling completely dizzy and you are feeling you had no energy in the body. What happened? That happiness brought that energy back in your system, right? So that's the power. All of you realizing the power that you have in your body, right? Great. Health is a natural flow and body is inclined to healing 100% of time. The job, remember Bob the Builder? Where I explained you the basic. So the job of the body, the job of the cell is to heal you. Complete job. But it is like, it is going to do it, so going to job, and stress comes and it's like, oh. Again, Bob the Builder stands up and goes. Another stress. Can you see what is happening with the cells of your body? The cells want to do the work, but something is stopping and not letting it do. It's like you are trying to sleep and rest. Somebody, hey, suno, mujhe kya bolna hai? And then you're like, okay, what do you want to say? Then again you go to sleep and they play a song. Again you get up. You're not able to rest, right? Do you have the capability to rest? Yes. Now your body is not able to do that because the cells are not able. The cells are very capable to do that. 100% of time your cell's job is to do that. Heal you, no matter what is happening. But all the stress or lack of nutrition. So two things. Only two. You don't have to remember 100 things. Are you giving proper nutrition? Are you feeling at ease rather than disease? Are you feeling at ease? So every meditation that I send you on a daily basis, do at least one. And the best approach is to do one in the morning, one in the night. That's the way I love to do it. And and sometimes I love to keep like every hour I'll put up a music, just take a pause. And I'll just put a 2-minute one that I'm creating. So I'll put a 2-minute meditation and I'll just take a pause. You do this, where will your disease live? There's no place, right? All of you learning something? Right. Mind over body, absolutely, Jennifer. Mind over body. Focus is concrete, is not something, it's a very concrete thing. So I would love you to focus on what you want, not the illness. Withdraw your attention. Can you all focus on what you need, what you want, right? We will do all of this during the sessions. So you don't have to do everything on your own. I'm there. I'll be doing with you, but I'm just giving you the basics, right? Getting me? Able to understand? All of you know this because if you have done the Magical Money Mastery, predominant emotion about your body or the part manifests. Same, the predominant emotion about money manifest. Whatever is the predominant emotion about your body, that I have less immunity, I have less strength, my back is weak, whatever. If you are having any particular predominant emotion about your body or part, that will manifest. So important. Any particular part, if you're having a strong what is predominant emotion? If I wake up at your 3 and say, okay, tell me something about your knees, you should, oh my God, my knees are so beautiful and I love how strong it is. Can you see? That should be coming out. That is the predominant. Rather than, oh, my knees so hurt so much and I cannot walk and it's so difficult and stand up to you. I can't tell you, tomorrow I stood up whole day and now the knees is. Are you all understanding? Learning? Right? Okay. You should be talking also to people. Oh my God, I just love how my knees are working. I'm just loving how these medicines are really transforming me. Rather than the opposite. Okay, so treat it as an opportunity to tell somebody how amazing your body is working. Healing emotional pain, create positive predominance. It causes natural healing. I gave you one example right now in the start. The emotional pain, when that gets cured, your body shows that. So all of you are sitting with some emotional pain. Something somebody did was not right. Something somebody did that was wrong. That was like a tear and it's bleeding. Do the emotional meditation on a daily basis. If there is a strong hurt, daily basis. Your job is to become emotionally strong. Do the self-love one on a daily basis. So either the emotional one, the emotional, I don't know what's the name. Remind me, I will just send it. I might have sent it before also, but I'll just send it again. Emotional like emotional control, emotional mastery. have a grab on your emotions, because your emotions are manifesting. What we are sending to the universe is thoughts, and emotions are pulling it back to you. Thoughts are going and grabbing that thing, emotions are pulling it back and reflecting it to you. Okay, so when you heal your emotional pain, it also causes natural healing in your body. All of you getting it? Vibrate higher than the disease. If you are ill, rather than be feeling like, oh, I'm ill, I'm ill, I'm ill, I'm ill, I'm ill, I'm ill, I'm ill. Can you see what mantra I'm japping? And whatever mantra I will just keep on repeating will be my thing, right? So rather than that, I would love you to vibrate than the disease. How to do that, Manisha? I've sent you the song, right? Every little cell in my body is happy. I've sent you 2 songs. Put that song and dance for 30 minutes. You can't stand up, sit and dance. I promise you, you will vibrate more than the disease. But we are not ready to do that. Na maza aa raha hai sote sote. Correct? So if you really want to do it, vibrate more, higher than the disease. You put it, you just see every little cell in my body is happy, every little cell in my body is healthy, and just enjoy and consume. Let it consume you. You will see that suddenly you are feeling better. And you'll be like, oh my God, I have so much of power. I thought that's the power you have. Right? All of you realizing your power, realizing how powerful you are. You're not little me, you are very, very powerful. Getting it? Very powerful. So, with the medicines, I would love you to really have that. Drop resistance to the symptoms, very important. Past thinking has manifested. Past thinking has manifested, and because of which, whatever is happening right now in your body, whatever is happening, it's okay. Past thinking manifested, and it is whatever it is in my mind, in my body. It's reflecting my back pain, my head pain, my joint, my depression, my anxiety. Past thinking has manifested. Okay, all right. Now that means from today onwards, if I start thinking a new thought, that will also manifest, right? That's a good news. Isn't it a good news? It's a good news. Okay, now I can start actually thinking in a different direction, and that will actually manifest. So drop resistance to the symptoms, ki why this has happened, why this has happened. My body is that weak, my immune system is not good, and this is not good, and that is not good. Stop. Say, okay, my past thinking has manifested. Now I'm going to create such beautiful thought about my body. 9th, do not suffer other people's vortex. Your mind and body is different than other people. You are not what other people are going through. So don't take their pain and their body. This happened with that person, so it will happen with me also. Getting me? Do not suffer other people's vortex. It's their thing. It's not yours. Don't consume it. If you want to help, just send blessings. Send love. But don't consume it. Ki, oh my God, this happened with that person. That means ki that person actually died of a heart attack, and I'm very worried ki maybe it can happen with me also anytime. Don't consume it. If you're understanding, just do yes. Right? Getting it, all of you? Are you able to consume it? Great. Last. Strengthen the vision of how perfect health look like. Strengthen the vision of how perfect health look like. We don't have a vision. We have a whole 100% idea about what is hurting and what is not working in my body. And we are not paying 1% attention to how happy, healthy body looks like. Not even 1%. Not 1% attention is there. How? How will it manifest? Tell me. 1% भी attention वहाँ नहीं दिए. No clue we have. कि, oh, once I have this, I'll be climbing, I'll be hiking, I'll be traveling, I will be dancing. What will you be doing? Right? So this is the homework that I'm giving all of you. After this class, put a music and for the next 10 minutes, write how does a perfect health looks like to you. Do you go climbing? Do you go hiking? Do you run? Do you look a certain way? Is your health a particular way? And all of you, I would love you to become a success story with health as we are doing this. I want results. All of you want results or just learning? Results, right? I want success stories from the classes. Success story. You want to be a success story. If you want to be a success story, just write in the chat, I will be Manisha. I will be a success story. I'm obsessed with results. I want result. Okay. So just write down, I will be a success story, because whatever you will believe, you will be able to achieve it. You know that. I will be, right? Love that, Sangeeta. I will be. All of you write down, I will be a success story. I will be a success. I'm made to be. That's why you are there in this program. You are made to be. You're destined to be, actually. Shakuntala, I'll be a success story. Harshita, I will be a success. Dr. Lalan, I'll be a success story. Yes. I would love each one of you to aim for that I will be a success no matter what's happening around. Great. So all of you, this is your homework. What do I want to happen in my body? So you will write one full page and remember the starting. No negative line should be there in that. All the good lines. I'm loving how amazing my body is performing. I'm loving how I'm able to climb and hike and dance. And I'm feeling so much of energy in my body. And wow, it's feeling so beautiful to have so much of energy and do anything that I want to with so much of love, so much of energy. Just get consumed by what do you want. Remember your future so that you can create it, right? So this will be your homework, all of you. What is your one takeaway, and was this session valuable to all of you? Let me know in the chat. Was it valuable to each one of you? Did you learn something? Jennifer, I'm already on my way. I'll be a success, come what may. Love that. Oh, wow, this is such, I am already on my way. I will be success, come what may. Love that, Sangeeta. Love that, Jennifer. Great. Rhyming line. Yes. Great. Okay. So I'm really sorry I took a little bit time because one session got delayed in the morning and then every session is getting delayed. So feeling more healthy and happy now. Love that. So the energy has transformed, sending more energy. Dr. Lalan. All right, sending a lot of love, lot of blessings. May everything you write today manifest. Okay, so write down that how does a perfect health look like? Do you look a certain way? Is your body weight a certain way? Don't say I lose weight. I'm so grateful. In my ideal weight, 70 kg, 60 kg. I'm so grateful my skin is glowing. Whatever, right? I'm so grateful that I feel so energetic. I'm so grateful that I'm more sure about my energetic self and health. Love that. Beautiful. It's in your hands. It's in your hand. Isn't that amazing good news? कि क्या हो सकता है इससे अच्छा कि मेरे हाथ में है. Wow. You'll take care of it. All right, we'll see each one of you tomorrow. Thank you so much for waiting 10 minutes. I'm really sorry. I'll not do that again. Take care. I'll see each one of you tomorrow. And then I'll give you 2 days holiday, Saturday, Sunday. Then we'll meet on Monday. Okay. So take care. Don't miss a single day. Bye and have a beautiful Thursday. Bye, all of you. Bye, Shakuntala. Bye, Bharat. Bye, Jennifer. Bye, Dr. Jayashree. Bye, Dr. Lalan. Bye, Harshita. Bye, Sangeeta. All of you do your homework. What does a perfect health look like to you? Love you. Bye. Take care.